Hello friends, this is Vishrut here. Here I have completed my final assignment of a seismic load on the tall building. In the previous video, I have completed the design of tall building and also I have applied the dead load, live load as well as wind load. Here I will apply the seismic load on the building structure. So in order to assign the seismic load on the building structure, we need to go define the seismic load property. So go to the load pattern and here select the seismic load and select the IS 893-2002 and go to the modify lateral load. Here I have selected only X direction and seismic zone factor value and site type value, importance factor value and response reduction value are given in the IS code. Do not change the story name, then click on OK. Then go to the define menu and define the time history function. So go to the functions and go to the time history. Here select the from file and add new function. Here I already have done this process, so I will show you the function of time history data. Here choose the file from your desktop, and here also I have given the name example time history data and click on the fix format, then click on OK. Then click on OK. Now again go to the define menu and go to the load cases. Here click on the time history and seismic load are automatically applied. Go to the time history and modify showcase. Here the load type acceleration, we have to choose the load type acceleration, and also we applied only X direction, so load name only U1, function time history, and scale factor here I have given I have taken 1663.5 and I have given the name time history. Then click on OK. Also for the seismic, go to the modify showcase. Here the only one I have taken only one scale factor. Then click on OK. Then click on OK. Now go to the define menu and go to the load combination. The load combination are automatically applied. If there are no any load combination, go to the add define default design combos and then click on OK. To assign the seismic load, we don't need to select any element. It is actually automatically applied on the building structure. Now go to the analyze option to run the structure. Go to the set load cases to run. Here we don't need to run the dead load and live load. Here we don't need to only run the seismic and time history load. So go to the run now. It is a 23-story building, so it takes too much time for the run analysis. After completing the run analysis, it gives a displacement value. You can see over here. Now you can see the bending moment diagram and shear force diagram. So go to the force and stress diagram and click on frame pair. For In order to show the shear moment, shear stress diagram, go to the shear 2 and then click on apply. You here you can see the shear force value by clicking the cursor. Now go to the display menu for moment diagram, go to the force stress diagram and click frame here and click on moment 33, then click on apply. Here you can see the moment diagram for each and every column and beams and slabs. Now you will see the concrete frame design. Go to the concrete frame design and start design check for the checking the design. Mummy. After checking the design, it gives a reinforcement value. You can see over here. You have to be seen the further detail of reinforcement. Go to the click the right button. Here you can see the reinforcement value. If you want to read more details, so go to the detail menu. Here you can see the whole detail. Here you can see the design moment and flexure reinforcement for moment, shear force and reinforcement for shear, and torsion force and torsion reinforcement for torsion. After checking the design, go to the design menu and concrete frame design. Design menu and go to the and click on verify all member passed or not. So click on verify all member passed. Here the all concrete frames are passed for the design check, then click on OK. Also here you can see the summary report. So go to the report option and go to the summary report, then double click on summary report. Here you can see the whole summary report and you can see all the details of each and every column and beams and slabs. So here my video has been completed. So thank you for watching, and I want to say thank you to the Sky5 Labs for teaching me this course. Thank you.